Hey guys, I can't help with making someone else's Roblox game, or say steal a Brainrot, uh, uncopylocked, or otherwise bypass another creator's protections. That's copying someone's work without permission and violates Roblox's terms and copyright. I won't assist with, piracy, unlocking protected content, or instruction how to steal other people's creation. That said, I can help you build an original ethical game inspired by the same ideas and mechanics. In this video, I'm going to show you a complete legal long-form guide to recreate the feel of stealth game in Roblox Studio from scratch. So, let's start with the first part. Okay, no fluff. Don't copy other people's work, scripts, music, or assets without permission. That's not just rude. It can get your account suspended and the original creator hurt. Ask permission. If there is a game you genuinely admire, message the dev and ask to collaborate or license assets. Some devs say yes. Recreate mechanics. Don't clone assets. It's fine to copy a game idea, right? Like stealth heist game. You must implement it into your own asset or code. Second part, high level concept, steal in escape, original version. Corp loop, player spawns in a map with target object to steal, like Brainrot artifact. Player sneaks past guards, cameras, or traps. Player interacts to pick up the item, triggers alarm, chase. Player must escape to safe zone or extract point. Rewards, leaderboards, and retries. Okay? The design decision, single player versus multiplayer. Multiplayer adds networking complexity. Stealth versus speed versus puzzle emphasis. Respawn and mechanics and penalties. Lose them if caught. Drop on death, etc. And now you're gonna set up, right? Legally speaking. You're gonna hit file, right? You're gonna open the game, of course, and hit the file of the game and base play. And you're gonna go to the lighting, lower ambient, add fog, and moody spotlight. You can use your own models or free verified models from Toolbox. Inspect scripts inside free models before using them. Consider learning Blender for custom props. Free tutorials exist. As for sound, use royalty-free audio, Roblox audio with clear permission or royalty-free libraries. Make your own using animation editor for guards chasing, pickups, etc. Don't import others. And, add coding to it, okay? Add it in the server script service, okay? Once you add the code, right, you're going to create a model in Workspace called Artifact with a click detector or proximity prompt. Use server logic to attach item to a player and start chase, right? And also the guard's AI. Use a pathfinding service to move guard NPC towards players that trigger alerts, right? And also the alarm detection system, drop and win conditions. You're gonna add code for both, right? As for the UX UI design, use screen GUI to show stealth meter, item held icon, timers, and objective hints. Show short you've been spotted warnings and countdowns for escape. Keep UI minimal and readable on mobile, right? Multiplayer considerations and networking tips. Use remote events or remote functions for client-server comms. Do server checks, right? For all authoritative actions like steal, reward, penalty. Limit frequency of events to avoid spam and exploitation. Okay? And now you're gonna polish and monetize ethically. Add cosmetics or game passes for non-play to win, like skin, accessory, lobby emotes. Offer dev products, temporary boosts, or private servers if appropriate. Add leaderboards and seasonal rewards to boost retention. Okay, and you're gonna publish and protect your work. Okay, if you want others to learn from your game, you can make it copyable voluntarily. and credit contributors, but that's your choice. And basically, that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.